Hi there, John for CanCoverIt. Do you ever feel like you can't quite get your house as comfortable as you'd like? Maybe you've already done some upgrades, but you still have drafts coming in, certain rooms that just really won't get comfortable. Maybe there's hot and cold spots in the ceiling. Maybe moisture has even come in through the ceiling. And at the end of the month, you feel like you're spending way too much on heating and cooling. Well, the culprit might just be in your attic.
The lens of the bulb kind of nicens it up for you, but once you get behind it, it's just open to the attic. You really have to have the cover over the fixture.
CanCoverIt protects against attic particulates, moisture, mold, and even pests. CanCoverIt protects LED bulbs and other sensitive smart appliances installed in can lighting fixtures. CanCoverIt helps stop interior drafts by fixing ceiling hot and cold spots.
We're looking forward to keeping our house a little bit more comfortable both the summer and the winter.
Definitely go with the CanCoverIt as a lead.
Use CanCoverIt on recessed can lights, bathroom fans, speakers, junction boxes, and more. By securing your attic with CanCoverIt, you make your home a platform for the future. Every upgrade you do, from smart technology to other insulation, will be even more impactful. Best of all, CanCoverIt is easy to install. Just pop it open and go. CanCoverIt is fast and totally customizable, making it the choice for pros and DIYs alike.
Do you like working with these things?
Oh yeah. They're pretty easy.
Have you used the other ones that don't fold flat?
Yeah, we've used those, like they're kind of brown or whatever.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, but up here, I mean, I'd rather work with these just because you can open them up easier.
CanCoverIt Universal has optional venting for maximum flexibility and safe use with older IC-rated fixtures. CanCoverIt Low Profile is shorter and is ideal for crawl spaces and newer IC-rated fixtures. Both CanCoverIt series control airflow and thermal transfer for all your attic fixtures. Customers who install CanCoverIt notice improved comfort immediately, and the savings aren't far behind.
I would say 9 out of 10 decisions are going with CanCoverIt.